Hey, if you want to adjust notifications using your Pinterest mobile application, first you have to click on the saved in the right bottom corner and then move into the right upper corner and open the settings. From here, you will have to select notifications, and you've got notifications on the Pinterest, by email, and by push notification. When you go on the Pinterest notifications, here you can adjust notifications for the pins you saved, so you can adjust comments, mentions, saves, comments with the photos, activity from people you follow, that's the follows and the saves, and activity from creators, that's the new pins from the people you follow and new pins from creators that Pinterest think you will like. So if you want to, for example, don't receive notifications from mentions on the pins, you can just unselect this switcher. Also, you can go for the by push notifications, and here you can turn them all of them by clicking on this button, but you can also manually adjust them. So you can actually decide what you want to actually adjust. As you can see, here is like a lot of different notifications that you can actually turn on or off. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.